Happy New Year! Welcome to 2024. I am so excited about the progress that I was able to make in 2023 and ultimately the direction that I'm going in for 2024. 2023 was a good year in a lot of ways, not only from the perspective of launching this channel, subscribers to clients, but also in regards to my other YouTube channel, The Business Recruiter. So since I haven't had the opportunity, I actually want to go ahead and share what I was able to make from a revenue perspective from my other channel, The Business Recruiter, not only from the perspective of my digital products that I have, but also from a YouTube perspective, since I did officially get monetized on that channel in 2023. Then ultimately, I want to share a couple of things that I'm thinking through for the 2024 year that I may do differently, or just different goals that I have in regards to both channels for 2024. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Hey YouTube, my name is Natasha and welcome to my channel, Subscribers to Clients. This YouTube channel is dedicated towards those small or aspiring YouTubers who are thinking about getting their own channels off of the ground. I provide you with tips, tricks, and resources on ultimately how you can do this in the most streamlined and efficient way possible. My channel focuses on talking all things business, finance, and personal growth. So with that, let's go ahead and jump in. So we're currently taking a look at the Business Recruiter Stripe account. And this is where all of my payments for my digital products associated with my other channel, The Business Recruiter, come through. I have it filtered for the full year of 2023. And as you can see in 2023, my gross volume from a revenue perspective was $97,622.39. Now, my goal for 2023 was to be able to hit six figures. So I was just a couple $1,000s short of this. I will say that if I added back in any refunds that did happen in regards to the 2023 year, I probably would have been able to hit that six-figure mark. Now, that's not to fret at all, because over the course of the lifetime of having my course, being that I kicked it off in September of 2022, I have been able to make over six figures. In fact, I'll go ahead and show what that looks like. So as you can see, I've been able to make over $128,000 since creating my course in September of 2022 and launching. With that stated, I am not mad at these numbers at all. As I think through 2024 and ultimately some things that I'm doing differently, I'm in the process of actually revamping the digital program that I do offer for my other channel, The Business Recruiter. It's been a while since I've done any updates, honestly, since September of 2022 when I first launched the program. And to think that that one program was able to generate this, I'm actually really excited for the updates that are to come. I'm adding more content. I'm adding more things to help individuals to be successful with starting their own recruiting and or staffing agencies, which is ultimately associated with my other channel, The Business Recruiter. And I'm also increasing my pricing, which will also help in terms of being able to generate some additional revenue. So I'm really excited. My goal for 2024 in regards to my digital products and what that income goal is going to actually be to double what I was able to do this particular year. So I'm looking at closer to $200,000 in revenue that I'm hoping to be able to do. And I have a lot of things that I'm ultimately doing in order to try to get to that point. So I want to go ahead and actually shift gears and show what I was able to make from a YouTube monetization perspective. So we are currently taking a look at my channel analytics, and this is the revenue portion of my channel analytics. As you can see, from January 1st to December 31st of last year, so accounting for the full 2023 year, I was able to make $374.17. I do want to caveat this by saying that I didn't actually officially get monetized on YouTube until July of last year, so July of 2023. So there's a good portion of the year where I wasn't making any money from YouTube at all. And while monetization has been extremely awesome in terms of me being able to hit that goal, I will say that this is not life-changing money by any means. For me, it's more so the validation that what I was doing was continuing to work. My subscriber base did grow. While I wasn't able to hit 4,000 subscribers in the 2023 year, I did hit it shortly after entering 2024. So as it currently stands right now, I'll go back to my dashboard. I have currently 4,115 subscribers, which I'm really excited about. My goal by the end of 2024 is to increase my subscriber base associated with the Business Recruiter YouTube channel. I'm actually hoping to be able to hit 6,000 subscribers before the year is over. If I do over that, then amazing, but 6,000 is the number that I do have in mind. And ultimately, I think a lot of the things that I'm doing in regards to changes to the digital products that I offer and making sure that I'm going back to a consistent posting schedule with YouTube will all help in terms of me being able to hit that goal. Now, from a monetization perspective, I think that this will just ebb and flow. I think I'll have some months where I do really, really well, and I'll have some months where maybe it's on the lower side. For me, I'm not planning to live off of my YouTube monetization income in any way, shape, or form. So if it does get higher, then great. If not, then for me, it's more about what I can actually do to increase my channel and try my hardest, of course, to get the YouTube monetization income up. But I also recognize that there's going to be a lot of barriers to being able to do that. So let's talk through a couple more goals that I do have for 2024, specifically in regards to my subscribers to clients channel. I am looking to make sure that I am also posting consistently here. My subscriber base has been able to grow to over 300 subscribers in a very short amount of time. To be completely transparent with you, I didn't actually plan on launching this channel until 2024. So the fact that I have 300 plus subscribers so far already is considered to be a win. If I can be able to hit 1,000 subscribers this year with this particular channel, as well as be able to hit monetization, which would be 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days, that would be amazing as well. I think that this channel has a lot to offer. I'm always looking for additional content that I can provide in regards to this channel, not just from the perspective of YouTube, but ultimately business overall and personal finance. So you'll start to see some experimentation in terms of the content, but I want to make sure that I'm providing you with the best possible content that I can that ultimately is going to resonate with you as you go about your own YouTube journey. In addition, maybe I'll get to the point where there are some additional products that I do provide in regards to this channel that will be associated with how I was able to grow my other channel and ultimately yield the level of revenue that I have with that particular channel. So that'll also be something that I think through as we go into the 2024 year. I think more than anything else, as I reflect on 2023, it was all about experimenting. It was trying new things. It was failing fast and learning from it, and ultimately not taking those lessons to heart, but taking them as opportunities for me to continue to be better. And if there's any advice that I can ultimately give you as you continue to go about your own YouTube journey, it would be just that. Make sure you stay in that experimental phase as long as you possibly can. There is no rush to you being able to get to success, and you want to be able to make sure that you're able to get to it in the most sustainable way possible. You don't want to be doing great one month and then doing absolutely horrible the next month. So you want to be very consistent in regards to how you're thinking about it. And I think experimentation is one of those things where once we've kind of realized that one thing is going super well, we start to pull back on trying new things. And I want you to continue to try new things for your channel. Ultimately, everyone's channel is going to be unique. What works for you may not work for the next person, or what works for the next person may work amazing for you. Whatever that looks like, I just want to make sure that you're holding yourself accountable this year to do what you said that you would do, which is start your YouTube channel and ultimately get it off of the ground. Well, I hope that you found this video to be helpful. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. I have created a Facebook group that we can leverage as a community for those individuals who are looking to start their own YouTube channel or have started and you just have a smaller community base so far. So I'll be sure to leave that link down below in the description box. That way you can join, because we're talking all things YouTube and ultimately tips, tricks, and resources on how you can go about improving your own channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.